Hello there, and welcome to Docking Bay 327. Today, we're going to be looking at a fairly easy and inexpensive way to make your own Galaxy Edge style light fixture for your Star Wars room or display. Now, if you noticed here lately, I've been a little quiet on YouTube, and that's really just because I've been very busy. I joined a local rock band, and I've been playing out a few shows, playing some of my favorite classic rock tunes, so that's been a lot of fun. And I got to go back to Galaxy's Edge with my daughter Cassie and spend the entire day there. It was so much fun. And of course, we built a lightsaber and we built a droid, and I picked up another creature along the way. I just couldn't pass him up. He's so cool.
Hey! Oh boy. Hello. Hey, Bubble.
So I've been a little busy with other stuff, but I have been working in my shop, and I have my next epic room build that's going on the wall right over here, almost finished. So stay tuned for that. That will be coming soon. So let's get into today's build. This is an outdoor decorative lantern that my wife no longer needed. I really liked the shape and design, so I kept it in a pile under my work table until I got inspired with an idea. Because it sat for so long, I had to clean it up before I could use it. The airbrush was a convenient way to blow off all the dust since it didn't have any paint in the gun. I also had these acrylic discs from some old landscape lighting that just so happened to be the perfect diameter for one side of the lantern. Since I'll be hanging this outside the entrance to my office, I don't need the handle. I picked up a light socket at Lowe's for just a couple bucks and will wire it up to an old power cable I also kept. This set of different size Forstner bits really comes in handy for my projects. I'll put a link to it in the description below. To diffuse the light, I'm using these old cleaning wipe containers since they are pretty thin plastic and they have a nice neutral white color. While I like the natural brown color, I decided to give the lantern a coat of bronze spray paint. The trickiest part was making sure I covered the interior completely. I really love these Govee smart light bulbs. I have several throughout my office. Using the app on my phone, I can dial in the color and brightness for just the right look. So before we look at the final glam shots hanging outside the entrance to my office, I just wanted to say thank you again to all my Patreon members. You guys are awesome. And if you want to become a part of that community and download some really cool animations and get access to exclusive content, the link is in the description below. I also have a Facebook and Instagram account that you can follow where I post periodic pictures in between my builds so you can keep up with what's going on here at Docking Bay 327. Thank you all so much. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't already and click that bell so you'll be alerted when I post new content. And until next time, build with what you know and figure out the rest.